Hello everyone, I hope you are good. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money online, and here I'm going to show you SEO clerks, and here you will find and sell so many services. If you are a developer, you can sell your services. If you are looking for your website, any kind of assistance you can get from their services. And the thing is, why I'm showing you, because I'm as a seller on Seoclerk and I'm selling my services as well. So I'll show you, people are talking about what actually they are providing on Seoclerks. So it's a freelance platform where you can sell your social media services or other kind of services. But not only these services, you can also sell your website services, fixing services, and so on. So I'll show you my services. So if you need to come and have a look, they are talking about the Seoclerk, market demand, and what facilities they are providing, what services you can sell, what is trending, and so on. So let's jump to my account. This is my account, Era24 UK. You can come anytime if you need any services. I'm selling very cheap price, so let's have a look. So if you need to fix any kind of errors, it's just $1. If you need to get any kind of theme or plugins, $5. The expert WordPress troubleshooting, $3, and so on. You can have a look. You can come on my account and then have a look. I'll give you in description the profile link, which you will click and you will come on this page. So all services you will see at once. Some people are asking, is it the legit website platform or not? So I'm going to show you that I'm making money through this website. So these are the services. Now I'm going to show you how it looks like my account. I'm level 2 seller on Seoclerks. We will go to see how much I made money. So as you can see, $1,797 I made, and these services are active. Now we will go and see some more features, like if you need to setting your account, so you can set your account by clicking settings. It will provide you here so many options. We'll go to profile, and here you will see your information. You can put your information there, your payment, whatever the payment you need to set, PayPal, your bank account. So these are the payment methods. You just click here and you can find here as per your requirement. Also you can receive payments via cryptocurrency, credit cards, bank transfers, and PayPal. In next video I'm going to show you how you can set it up this all, but in today's video I just need to give you an overview. So here you will find your favorites. If you find some nice jobs or anything, like I show you. So if you say, okay, I like this service, and if you like this service, you are going to click here. Once you will click here, then this will be in your favorite account. So you will click here, your all favorites, you will see your profile. Here is also a boost service, how you will boost your service, your alerts, which devices you are connected, so I can show you. So I've been connected with so many devices, and this is happening since 2019. So here you can see all this information. If you are connected more than one device, it will show you here. The security, you can click here. You can find telephone number, you can verify address, identity verification, and so on. Response time, how quickly you respond to your orders. So my response time is sometime 29 minutes, sometimes it's 4 minutes, depends. If you are a developer and you are creating a website and you need these services on your website, then you just need to click API key, and then you will be having this option. So you can generate an API key and then insert into your website to get these all services into your website. So your orders, you can click here, your payments, your manage jobs, your fees. For example, your fees, how much you earned and how much you paid for this order, for that order, and this order in this year. I mean, these are the current orders. So we'll go further. Manage sales, you can see how many sales you have got or in pending. Revenue, you can check revenue here. So here you can see the order list, what you have got, how much they paid you, and all other information. So we'll go back to affiliates. Per affiliates you are not selling. So withdrawal, how much you took out money. So in the meantime you have taken out this much money I have taken out, and you can see here via PayPal. So manage services, you can manage your services and you can create new services from here. So now as you can see that I showed you this is a legit website and here you can make money. I'm giving you this information in description. There are a couple of links. If you go with this link, you will get benefit as well. Sometimes they offer you $5 coupon. So try my link and create a new account, and within 10 days they will give you something. So these are the information I provided you, and this is the way it looks like, and you can make money. So my services are on sale. If you need any service, you are most welcome. Just come in and get the service. Still some of them has got 2 days left, some of them 15 days left, depends which services you need. Even though I'm selling here hosting as well, so if you don't have hosting, I can provide you cheap hosting, which is $14. You are going to get NVMe SSD hosting, and as you can see in this image, they are showing you HDD how it will work, SSD how it will work, NVMe how it will work. So I'm selling the ME one. So if you will get NVMe, I think your website will be very good performance. So I'm not asking too much, so you can come on this gig and then read. You will be paying yearly and then have a peace of mind, because this is all you will get in the hosting. Anyway, I come back to the point. This was my I was going to show you that how you can create your account and settings. So I showed you everything almost, and now you know. I'm always on my channel and here to help you guys and to assist you better. Thank you very much for your watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to others, and leave in comments if you have any queries. Maybe in next video I'm going to explain you in detail. Thank you very much. Bye.